Back to Thailand, where Thai authorities on Tuesday rushed to protect parts of Bangkok from floodwaters that have already inundated 70,000 homes and killed 6 people in the country's northern and central provinces. Let's take a look.
น้ำเพิ่งจะท่วมมาใหม่ๆเขาก็ยังไม่ช่วยอะไรเดี๋ยวถ้าพักเขามาช่วยหรอกอันนั้นยังไม่แห้งนะครึ่งเดือนอะไรประมาณผลไม้นี่แหละพวกกล้วยพวกอะไรจะเสียหายนะ
แม็กมัน
Tropical storm Janmu has caused flooding in 30 provinces, with the kingdom's central region the worst hit the Thai disaster. Prevention and Mitigation Department said the level of Chao Phraya River, which snakes through Bangkok after winding almost 400 kilometers from the north, is steadily rising as authorities release water from dams further upstream. Once dubbed the Venice of the East, the capital is built on former marshland and rests about 1.5 meters. That's about 5 feet above sea level. In the past, farmland and rice paddies in low-lying areas absorb flood water, but the city's expansion has seen much converted into real estate. The city's flood prevention master plan, involving underground reservoirs and tunnels, has not been fully built because of problems acquiring land. Over the weekend, emergency teams staged dramatic rescues, evacuating villagers from rooftops in parts of Chayapum province, about 4 hours northeast of the capital.